Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Aye, straight.
You know.
Aye.
Where are they?
Jamaica flag.
Yeah, man, I see it.
Jamaica. Bless
So, bro, you're good.
Yeah, man.
To the peaceful, you know, you can't be like the rap.
Yeah.
What I know?
I mean that, man. And
So, mommy gonna work?
no, man, she's here, save me.
Okay.
She's here.
Hello. We're gonna get a real interview.
Don't it? Come. Ah, that one food still.
Okay.
Alright guys, well. Let's love. You know the thing goes, I'm out again. You know the thing goes, I'm out again today. You know the thing goes already. So you know today I'm wearing another one, different color. You know. So I'm starting to look out like a Arab more and more each and every day. So guys, I'm here at Ivo Spice. You know, I'm gonna grab myself some food, and then today we're gonna literally started out the care packages, you know, for Westmoreland. So we're gonna do all bagging out of flour, rice, cornmeal, sugar, and the clean stuff them and all them stuff, and the oats and everything, you know. So we're gonna bag them out, you know, and get things started. So we're ahead of schedule. So the only thing left for us to do, you know, things just load up the vehicle, and then we'll be heading down them sites, you know, Westmoreland. It's going to be our first destination to start the Baga Road from, you know, and then from there, you know, we'll continue to move on, helping out where the help is needed, you know. So, so you know the thing goes, I have to start off and fill the engine with nothing but the healthy energy food from Ivo Spice, you know, and that's what I have to use to kick it off. Kick it like a ball, you know, and get the thing moving, grooving, you know. You say like an Arab.
Yeah, that's what I answer. I like it, you know.
Yeah.
Come on.
The Arab look, you know.
One time I want it forward, you know. Say me I send some overseas.
Yeah. You have all the black one as well too.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have 3 different color.
3 different.
Yeah. This is the second color.
So the one that match the shirt.
Yeah, try to come out matching, you know. Like in a desert.
This match up.
The only thing I shot off right now is a camel.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm short off right now, the camel. With some sand. How can I work with the Jamaica dirt?
Yeah.
You know? We can work with it. And we have Ice Straight over there.
Yeah, man. Ice Straight.
Never lean.
Never lean. I line up some pumpkin seed.
Okay.
So man said, good for the prostate.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Real Jamaican pumpkin seed.
So that's the pumpkin seed we have.
But the ones that tell me say when them cut their pumpkin up, so
yeah.
the seed green. You know about that?
That's got that's a GMO one. Maybe that's a GMO.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe that's
the green pumpkin seed.
Maybe that's to my understanding. So other viewers, other people might have different opinions. So you let me know why the seed is green. You know, okay, I'm saying whenever they cut it overseas, it comes out a different color, green. So if you know, let me know. You know, because we don't know. We're just asking. Yeah.
Let them comment.
Yes, in general. So let us know. You know. So you have to just ask and someone else's opinion on that, you know. Vevo.
That's why we keep on asking.
Because in Jamaica,
why all the green pumpkin seed exists.
yeah, because in Jamaica,
In
it's
Jamaica,
not
it's
green.
not green. Why? So
No matter how young the pumpkin is or what, well, you're not going to pick it young, but it's not going to be green.
No matter
Once
what
it's
you
ready.
say.
You know what I think, though?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So we don't know how the green one exists still, but
Yeah.
probably so me say if you're overseas, different depends on where you're born.
Yeah.
And the pumpkin grow, I don't know. Would all have like yellow pumpkin seed or green, red pumpkin seed, I don't know.
I don't know. Well, you know, everyone else have them different opinions.
Different, yes, man.
of them
Have them
things, so-
different seed, huh?
Because we don't used to the green one.
Yeah.
You know, we used to that orange looking one.
Yeah, man.
And when you parch it, you know, it still stay orange looking same, it will be a bit darker.
Yeah.
You know, or brown, you know, brown. So I don't know, guys. So if you know, let me know what I want. Because I don't know.
Because we say still them say good for the prostate, so we are working with it, eh?
We're working with it. So guys, I know the thing. So tell me if you're into these, you know. I'm feeling my Arab looking.
I like it,
Yes, man. Good look.
Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai. Not lying. Dubai not telling a lie. Alright guys, this is where I'm going. This is me to start off my day. This is what it's gonna be like. It's like a Christmas tree. You know?
Yeah, Shopman straight.
Go.
Straight.
Without the pepper
Cold
lights.
brush me all over, brother.
Good for the
You
job.
know, need it, car. I feel a little.
Yeah, I know the thing goes. Right now I'm gonna feast. You know, I enjoy this midnight for the day. So this is my starter. And this is how we start the day. You know, some chickpea. You know, the thing goes. I know more time you're watching, you're like, Akeynote, man, what go on? You always got tease us. It's true. You have to come to Iber Spice to get these food. You know, or you can cook it yourself if you can. You can try. Look what I'm going. Look. Different. That is it. You know where thing goes. Yeah. I'm gonna go and eat and fish. And you know where thing goes. I'm not gonna bite my tongue on camera. So I'll get back to you. Chickpea for you. Alright guys, so we're going. Everything been devoured. All this food are giving me the power. Finish. All you can see is color and grains. Nothing left back. Nothing. Look at that. Nothing at all. So this is how you deal with it. You know? Yeah? I know you're James Brain already, you know. So yes guys, so that is it. I just finished this and I just order myself a smoothie as well too, to help fill the gap. You know, add a smoothie to help fill the gap. And also I got two beetroots with a spirulina right here. You know? So this is me. So when I have this, I'm gonna have this and have these during the day. Probably have one and leave one for tomorrow. You know, and that will be me. So this will be all me for the rest of the day. Yeah, man. So that will be me for the rest of the day. We're just drinking a lot of water, and I'm good. Trust me. So I'm gonna head to Trenchtown now to start the Baller Road. Everything go. Blessed Lord. So let's get into Trenchtown. Let's do it. Beetroot there? Beetroot there?
Beetroot?
Yeah, give another beetroot then. Aye, now we're in front there.
Yeah, man.
Manners, you know?
Yeah, King.
Manners. Aye.
You don't know what I'm going to see.
Right, go on. Alright, so this on me. I'm going for one more beat. Two of them pumpkin seed as well. The food and the four of them. I'm going for one more beat on this. Alright. I am good now. I'm good for the day. I'm ready to take on any mission, any weather, anytime right now. The way I'm feeling. Ready? So ready. So give me the mission with the journey right now. I'm ready. Let's head into Trenchtown. So I got my pumpkin seed I'm here to munch. Whenever I feel munchy, I munch these like popcorn. So those are my popcorn. You know, drink it and pop it like a popcorn. So time to go get the groove on. Alright guys, so blessed love, blessed. Alright guys, so we're here in Trenchtown and this is the preparation. So secure and prepare and everything. So the ladies them coming, you know, Natisha and Sha'ira and Esther is coming down. So first we're gonna need the table space. First thing first. Table space. Tenant we put them out today. Tell us they might get put out today. Today they might get put out. I will put that table up there so then.
Mommy? Oh yeah, that's on the table.
Put this in. Yes, we're going to bring the next one. We're going to empty the next one. We're going to empty the next one then now. Tell us how the flour them sprinkle.
Yeah, Mama, come here. You know, the flour them sprinkle. Mama, I'm never look at now.
Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you asleep?
Yeah, well, 5, you know.
Yeah, 5, 10, and 11 hours. Put that. You're 5, 10 and 11 wall, you know. Take out them 2 boxes this over. Take the table now, take the table. We're going to support the table for the catch up them and everything, put them so we can take them out of the box them still. And then mackerel them and then circle them.
What about?
Yeah, we're going to take them out. Just bring the case come Jackson and do it from over here. No, so I put them on the table. Oh, Esther, and the brown rice. Parboiled rice this. Put them more bamboo in. So we have more space. have to keep them in our way, so every time we got to come each are going on bag. So we must have take from each section. So get the inside. Here's Natish Resort, baby. She's the flower on the rice lady. You call Shara Esther? So guys, we don't have some flour. The bag start bagging out some flowers already. So we have flour in here. And we have these are palm boil rice. Whoa. Esther, you know what we have to go do? I see if you go give palm boil rice, we have to give white rice too.
White and palm boil mix.
Yeah, because and everybody like them brown rice some of them. No? So them about choice. About choice. I have to remember so we're Jamaican people full of pride. No, Esther? We're Jamaican people them full of pride. I say, what am I go with them brown rice? You have a pea. The baked beans them scatter. Cut, yeah. No one them scatter. It's either you show over the mackerel them, but the direction there. So baked beans go on the line. Because one time they want to pick up in a organized manner.
Nice and cheese.
You see the OSM? I'm going to keep the OSM in the box and just rest them. Can I rest that ground? Once it's open, I rest that ground. You stay open though, so we can see what I want. Last one.
Put them in a bag.
Yeah, put them in a bag.
Let them stand at the table.
No, I bet them stay at the front so you can see everything. So we'll take from each. Yeah, put the whooping one on top. Come put that on the side.
No, I'm just a pull one back.
Essa bagulho da salsa.
Alright, kid, let's rest that one there, go. Because I'll put it to you. Big come on, I see. What, a baked bean?
The same thing.
Alright, let's see. A baked bean, right?
Yeah, man, come like a baby, must be a baby.
Okay, rest that.
Yeah, you get one.
You bring the sugar there. The sugar them on the table.
Yeah, boss, you bag.
Yeah, for boss. Put them upon where we can see them. Can leave the cafe then where we can see them.
Sakara eat.
See the cup. So we'll wait on the white rice then, Esther, before we start. Because we have palm boy rice, so we have to get them both.
I only want to.
Just in case. Flour, no so. Start bag out already.
Like a room in rain.
Huh?
The bag there, question.
Well, the bag them there, man.
Yeah, 2 pounds and 3.
What more them rice today now? What me put my rice?
I mean, told
No man, don't you see them I do it. Yeah. Do rice and don't you so. Into the calming and the calming. You try it now?
No, this is 32 ounce. You know, it's a 32 ounce at 2 pounds. But it's a chance. Are you gonna meet me? Are you gonna meet me?
That's what.
Eh? Yeah, give me one for sure. Yeah. Shower.
Esther, whenever you call me from the Kiwanis.
Yeah, man.
Call me.
From Kiwanis.
You're never gonna call me. I just the rice on the floor.
That's what.
No, that's how we buy.
Just 2 bag alone?
2 bag of flour and rice. Only rice.
Oh.
The men again the oats.
They never give it. Come with that 30. So guys, so these are the ones that we're going to be tapping up. Because these have no rice, no flour.
Flour, you know.
Alright. So guys, so these are the ones that we got from the Kiwanis. I will put some rice, put cornmeal, and now put rice and cornmeal in these one. So far, sorry, rice and flour. We'll put in these one that we got here so far, and then we're gonna put in the cornmeal as well too. So you got thin stuff as well too. So we're gonna pack them with the rice and the cornmeal as well too, because these never have any of those stuff inside of it. Why?
No, man, see that? See that, chunks?
No, man, put them in and them just walk and put them in one.
Oh.
What?
Then the
No,
foot
you
in rice
can't go
and
in
flour.
them, I don't pack with them, yeah.
Them have cornmeal and flour?
No, then the foot in rice.
I just them left for going there, we don't want to confuse it. So I just them to carry them in and just
Each one of them bringing this and just take up flour.
No, man, we just do take it from this from now.
No.
Is it from this from now?
Yeah. No, the chunks, you have to bring the bag with us.
Yeah, just
Put some in one bag and bring come.
and just walk and drop them in.
Just put some in a bag and bring them come here, so.
No, one.
Just load up. No, not the bag there. Use the empty bag. Here. Put cornmeal and flour in those ones. And drop them right at extra foot there, so. Or instead, never started the cornmeal yet.
Alright, look on that and slow.
I need the cornmeal and to start with them. Daniela, call Shakara. So the cornmeal can go and do. You put two of the single water them, Esther.
Yeah, that will do. Yeah. So, ramen. Sugar.
So guys, so what we're gonna do as well, so, right? We're gonna put two of the small bottle waters inside of them. Plus, then we get one of the 1 liter bottle of the bigger water also. So then we end up get 2 of these small one and then the big one as well too. But we're not gonna put the big one in the bag because it's gonna take up a lot. It's gonna take up a lot of space and it's gonna be heavy. Yeah. You can bag out enough bag of cornmeal. Something should I do?
Yeah, should I do? This one? What page doesn't matter. Alright, when I don't have page here come. Like you might look at it, these are a bang bang it.
Alright. Shara.
One day come here?
Yeah. Just need to come here. I feel anything somebody can switch over upon that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
No, she can't go on this song. I'll give her ramen. Give her ramen, one.
So you know we have tissue, we have water.
I said on this phone.
Alright, so in the bags we have tissue, we have water, we have bean, we have tongue. You know, with this tongue, you just add water to it and you got a drink straight away. We also have sugar, we have cream crackers, we have oats, we have mackerel as well too, we have sardine, we have ketchup, we have lasco, and the bean not it. Oh yeah. And there's bean. And then now we're gonna add flour, rice and cornmeal to these care packages. So they're getting a whole lot of different things. You got ramen and you also got tin sachets as well to inside of them. So there's the flour added. You would have to 30 grand. But you know what, because you want to chew, you start off early, so once they're out the way, now just pack them same time while not pack. Just because you will never have them at the same time. Yeah. But this not room there, make space for the table.
So I just know say calm you going on them. Alright.
And rice. Wow. Daniela. Well, no, I forgot. I'm gonna add the caramel rice. So I've got to tie the bag, so we have more space.
Rice na them? Put him in that bag there. That's all.
How much? 2, 4, 6. Let's take out 4 more. The master is for extra food there. Eh? Some more. Much more? 2 more?
No.
Finish. Alright, bring it back right there, so extra food. Bring back that extra food there. Yeah. Put it to your foot. Put it to your foot, that's it. Ah, man. Eh. More flour. So what then I need rice and
Just rice.
rice and then
You can just put it down. When the calm you go, we know say just tie up.
yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And also and the key one is back them. I'm gonna need caramel too. The key one is back them. Yeah. I need caramel too.
Such is running on sugar and ramen. Ramen over out.
Sardina.
Yeah. Put one of them in there. Sit one of them in there. Blasco. Blasco in there.
That's the in there first thing you put in there. Yeah, that's the in there.
Pink crackers. What's in them bag already too?
Yeah, everything let's see.
Tissue. Some caramel ready there. Some caramel ready.
Just go straight. I think that's how we did.
Yeah.
Scout what I call him in the store. I'm done. Go on the car me so. Don't have it. See that? Oh, see that.
Got one out of them?
Yeah, I'm going to take them out.
Are those 2 are gone?
3.
3.
They're missing sugar.
Yes, sugar. See this one. family too. Yeah,
Yeah.
to tie them, yeah.
Sugar and them do you get over. Sugar and them that was right? Yeah. Look. So shake. Yeah, sugar and them. Yeah, back on it. Next side. Yeah.
No, see the back there. Fuck where they want you want to eat. Feed me.
Sardine night.
And then we pop where we there. When you pop it.
Sardine night.
Yeah, it's already. Yeah, it's in there. No, not here. Yeah, she just have a pop over here, so that they me. Yeah, so that pop here, something like that.
So I will start from the baked bean first, yeah?
Eh?
Start from the baked bean first.
No.
So you know what time what. Yeah, no.
School right, that's school. That's good. Go on and pop me take them over. No, make it clear. You take. Alright.
No man, look at the floor on floor.
And?
The floor on floor.
Start from the peanut butter. Ketchup is next. Ramen, then the sugar, the sachets, and so start from your cream crackers again, baked bean. Pull them.
Treat them for a long time in a China.
Go check on Wawa now. Yeah, put them in already.
A long time in a China.
Shoot not in front.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah, my shot. I'm talking about that. Come call me now.
Before you tie off, you just check them for you. Alright guys, I can see the team hard working. And I mean the team is hard at work. Okay, so whenever you see me have my Arab thing, just know say we mean business. You know? Whenever you see we wearing this, we mean business. So we mean business. Business right now. So we're going good so far, you know, as you can see.
Yes, sir, we're here, put it in the work. You see me I say?
Yeah.
One team, dream team.
Team, you know.
Yeah, that.
You can see. K package is loading up. You know, loading up. And then oh, these one up top here need cornmeal. Okay.
No man can't test massacre. That the man I said, the man I thought, man the man lick up and kill and everything good, man.
We're loaded, guys. As I can see, we're loaded. No? We have these up here on top as well, too.
In there.
Mix it with oh, yeah. Oh, that white? Yeah, don't mix it. Put it in our bag, see me. Somebody can get extra. Extra. Read all about it. So,
Wanna girl? Stop come.
she want a job.
Tissue.
Sure, one. Give me that one. No, I'm gonna help me. One man. After we don't do order for that run way, and man, the food not the buy out there.
You can't get them enough.
Yeah, if we don't wrap them, then I get you.
Okay, but Daniel and I want to help.
One man.
That is a one.
That's too much work one time.
The rest, I'm not going to feel them on. I'm not going to feel them on the morning. Yeah, man. Fuck them, I think, man.
Big one them though?
No, remember them will give them a 1-1.
I want 9.
Yeah? Well, I make the space first. Eh? No, same bag there we can use. No, see the bigger bag them? See them big bag there when we are bringing on top them, we gotta spot them in them bag there. Don't destroy the bag there. Alright guys, so we finished wrapped up, bagged out and everything ready for the day. You know, so we'll show you what I go on right now. So show them what I go on. Guys, look at this. We're loaded, we're lock and load, you know, and these one up here. And we have to water them back as well. So this one is the 1 liter, right? So these are the bigger waters then. So we're gonna give out 1 each with these care package bag. These care package bag already have 2 waters in them, 2 small ones. So because you know water is essential at this moment down there, so while we give them 1, after the bag we give them extra water as well too, because these water already have been 2. Also these bags up here are already having 2 waters as well inside them, you know, as well too from the Kiwanis. So this is going to lock and load. So now we're going to clean up now, you know, get the place sorted out. So guys, so you know the thing goes already. So as I say, this is our first trip, you know, our first outing into the countryside about this year. You know what I'm saying? It's never too late for a shower for you. And that's it. Oh, and then even to close them as well too. Right.
Can do me anything come in the beer?
Lift the one extra. Lift the one in case you want to use that.
Yeah, once in a tear up.
They're a big black.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.